Hello everyone, today I'll tell you where to find your screenshots and screen recordings in Where Winds Meet. To start, open your main menu. Do so by clicking this button in the top right corner, pressing the escape key on a keyboard or the menu key on a controller. Then open Settings by clicking this button right here. Then navigate to the Other settings right here and scroll down. You are looking for the storage settings. Here you can change the image storage path for your screenshots and set it up in whatever folder you would like to, and you can also do the same for your video storage path for screen recordings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.